Discord VC. You know what I'm saying? The servers, what's it called? First link in my bio on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Did you say inactive?
9 people in chat. Oh my!
Everybody in chat, what's going on? If you love black people, drop a galaxy. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, buddy.
ain't nobody doing that.
Hey, gang. I can dream.
I have to drop a galaxy. Bro. Not dropping no damn galaxy.
Ain't nobody dropping a galaxy.
If you're not racist, drop a galaxy.
I'm fucking racist.
Yo, stop swearing. Anyways, I'm not gonna lie. This farm that I have over here is so nice, bro. I got tomatoes.
You ate fish, bro.
Plant? Go back. What is that plant?
What? This one?
That purple one. What is that?
I don't know. It's called a torch flower. I don't know what it does though. I think it's for the sniffers.
What? I don't
for the sniffers.
So.
I ain't never seen that plant a day in my life.
Wait. There's no sniffers in that version though.
Yeah, there is.
On 1.20.1?
Yeah. It's 21. 1.21. There's sniffers. I'm looking at the...
There are consistently 9 people in chat. Oh my goodness.
If y'all want me to play songs, let me know. I'll put songs in the chat, whatever.
I count as 4 people.
I'll build up the queue. I'll build up the song queue. You know, I'll play whatever the chat wants to listen to, you know what I'm saying? I'm for the people.
Oh, nobody's talking in chat though, but they're here.
Bro, join the chat to say L. Oh, there's a dog! Hey, come here!
Alright, well, enjoy your stream.
Hey, that's my dog.
Wait,
no,
Yo,
it's not.
look at that name! Yo!
Alright, buddy. Do I ban this guy or
No,
what?
leave it. Hold on, I want to see if you're going to say something first. 2-time, thank you for the follow. What was the name of? What do you mean? Look at it!
Bro, if you say this name on stream, you'll get banned.
I'm gonna get banned if I say the name. That's how bad it is.
It has to do with a very explicit person. 2 very explicit people.
Chat, what do we name the dog?
Dinosaur.
Peanut butter. Look, it looks
Sarah,
like
thank
a
you
peanut
for the
butter.
follow. I appreciate it. I hope your day's fantastic. What do we name the dog, chat?
What do you think the worst dog name there is?
Nuts.
No, I think it's Speed's dog's name.
What's his dog's name?
What do we
Just
call
text
the
it to
dog, chat? Somebody give me a name.
I can't text it. Speed's dog's name is a racial slur.
I don't care. Text it to
Alright,
me.
we'll name the dog Kitty. I got you. All I'm saying is, when can you come back to the after party? You promised to rub the baby oil on me. What are we talking about, dude? I appreciate you for the follow, but that's kind of weird. You just told me to name the dog Kitty. I'm not naming it Diddy.
Don't name the dog Kitty,
I'm not
bruh.
naming the dog Diddy, bro.
Name it Diddy.
I'm not naming the dog Diddy.
Yo, there's some freaks in chat, bro. What is this?
Name it Diddy.
I'm not naming it Diddy. Why would I name the cat Diddy?
Or Jeffrey.
Or Jeffrey?
Yo,
no.
This guy shouldn't be on the stream.
Hi.
Hi, Bank.
Bank and Anna.
You know what? Fine. We'll name the dog Diddy, bro.
No, don't name the dog Diddy. What fucking name is this? Oh, my bad. Hold up.
Can the dog not walk through the garage?
Not that word.
What's the flip flop, man? TikTok, I did not say that. I'm a PG-13 person.
Gotta listen to chat, bro.
I did. I literally played it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, look, it's my dog.
His
You should
name is
name
Diddy,
it
bro.
as well.
Unfortunately, but... Knight, did you eat the burger already?
somewhere in my inventory, I think.
Chef Curry came back to the chat.
Always in chat. He's your
Don't
number
wipe.
one supporter.
Don't wipe? What are we talking about?
Nice house.
Nice house, thank you. You want me to show you the full thing on the outside? I got you.
That's his basement. That's where he keeps Pro Jade.
Nah.
Help! I'm in the
Doesn't deserve
basement.
to be down there.
He won't let me
Now
out.
look. So this is a
That's where
farm.
you-
Oklahoma
Contains
State
the-
is a good college, right, Dad?
Why you keep doxing my college, yo? Stop doing
Freak
that.
father.
Anyways, this is the farm, you know.
I go there too.
We got tomatoes, onions,
LSU
wheat.
the best.
We got a bunch of them. Right? Then we got the sugar cane. Right? You go this way. You see the creeper head in the wall. You know what I'm saying? You open that. This is our.
He helped me with math.
This was our nether room. You know what I'm saying? You got the portal there. I'm not gonna lie. I think the nether room might be one of my favorite rooms.
Man, if you don't go mining.
You want me to go mining? All right, bro.
Wait, Knight, what's your course
I
again?
was trying to give a tour, but anyways.
Well, no. I'm not in the server right now.
We'll join.
Bro, give me like
All right,
at least 30 minutes of peace.
Let me put my stuff away, and then I got you.
Did anyone follow you today, L?
Did anybody follow me today? Yeah, I got 3 follows.
Man, you just got 2
Ow!
followers a second ago.
What just happened?
Yay, I followed him. Knew it from the count.
Bro, remember my follow count? Yo, we're almost at 1,700. Somebody follow. Hold
Whoever
on.
gets to 1,700 will get
That's why I follow.
$3.94.
I got you.
Hold on.
Yo, gang, you should play RL Craft. It's fun, trust.
You want me to play RL Craft? I'm not making that out alive, but RL Craft.
Earl Craft isn't even fun.
Nah, play Hunger Games on here.
You want me to play
Knight, can you
Hunger
please
Games?
join?
Man, no, I'm not joining right now.
Please.
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out.
I'll send a galaxy.
You'll send the galaxy? For what? If I play Hunger Games? You want me to play Hunger Games? You just told me to go mining.
Yes.
Yo, these guys
Try it,
cannot
boar.
make up their mind on what they
Bro.
want.
Look up at the cam.
Look up at the cam. Why? So you can say good boy? I'm okay. Y'all did that. Y'all did that to me yesterday, bro.
Freaks.
How will 21
All of you.
followers do?
21
need to be
followers?
companion.
Damn it.
Yeah.
You just
You
need
tried.
to.
You tried, bro. You tried. I knew what you were doing, just because everybody else tries to do the same thing, and you know.
I am trying to slide in with that oil.
What?
Man, what the?
What are we talking about, bro? So apparently when I right click my compass, I don't know what mod it is, but it makes me like teleport forward. Yo! It's like fast travel. Hey, my map disappeared. Oh. You're trying to slide in with that oil is crazy, bro. I'm just trying to... Yo, we actually are almost at like 1,700 though, bro. That's crazy.
Riz almost making it as a streamer.
1,700. That's crazy.
4 viewers in chat right now.
How old is
These are your
UUNC?
fans. You
How-
have to
how
motivate
Should I
old am
them.
post
I
to the
up?
story?
What are we talking
He's
about?
27.
I'm not 27. Oh my goodness. I'm 19, bro. I'm
Lol.
19. I'm only grabbing copper because
Is that Zorro? Me and you
yes,
both
I don't know
key.
where Zorro came from. Bro's lost. Bro's lost again.
Oh, I
Yay
thought you
lol.
said you need copper. Why'd you drop it?
I did it. It's in my inventory. We're going advancement hood and
The One Piece is
I need
teal.
a copper block, so. And I need to put a boat in a. I need to put a
Real.
goat in a boat.
No, it's
You
real.
gotta put a goat in a boat.
What are y'all talking about?
The One Piece is teal. I didn't know it was teal.
Ick.
That's crazy. Thought it was red.
I went to some of her TikToks and put I love you dad in chat.
You went to some of my TikToks?
It messed up.
You commented "I love you, Dad" on every single one of my TikToks, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy. This is wicked.
Also,
This is your fan base, Grinch.
Yeah, just about.
He's gonna motivate your fan base to
Yeah.
keep
I
calling you
have
dad.
90k views on my vid
90K
laughing
views
face.
on your vid is actually kind of fire, bro. Congratulations, bro. Why is my map like not loading in, bro?
A few more days it should hit 100k.
Man, I'm trying to be at 100k followers and subs on YouTube. I think that's the ultimate goal for me. I want to hit 100k. Zoro, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, brother.
It only takes one more. Who will be the 1,700th
NP.
subscriber, me follower?
Lemmy.
Hold on.
BRB.
I'm not doing that, actually. Y'all didn't see that. Ignore that.
Chicken jockey.
You didn't just say that.
Yes, I did just say that.
Be right back.
It's
Keep
smirking
talking,
on
I am
stream.
Keep
almost
talking,
there.
I'm almost there. Wow, dude. Wow. Wow.
Boy, oh boy.
Wow. Wow. Chat!
Wow, man.
I'm trying to figure out how to put the goal.
I am sorry.
Yo,
I was
Josh,
about to make
thank
a
you
new
for the
account, but I
follow.
forgot my password.
Chat, I think we did it, chat. Chat, I think we just hit 1,700.
Who was it? Who followed?
Yo,
I'm
we did
Zorro
it!
on alt.
Let's go! We got 1,700, chat. W.
Yes, SIRR
Is
dad.
Zoro on an alt? Oh, I appreciate it, Zoro. I don't know where to put this
Nice.
at, so I would just put this at the top. Nobody push.
NP,
I'ma come back now.
I appreciate
yes,
it.
sir, Dad. Yo, these guys are freaks.
Don't think I'm his father.
You're not my dad.
Yo, my game is lagging crazy. Project, are you lagging too?
You already accepted it, Key.
It's dead, bro.
Alright, bro. I guess I did.
My bad, I guess you hear me. But yeah, I am lagging as well.
I think it's because I'm
This is why I don't
like
like-
exploring. Like I'm going out of the map, or out of the.
Yeah, you're
normal
loading
part.
unloaded chunks right now.
Yeah.
And I'm on my way back towards spawn.
I crashed like 90 times trying to get to my house.
Yo,
Back.
I tried to use the compass thing.
You just died. Yo, Grinch.
How?
Oh, I'm at water.
What do you
Dad,
mean
can you
how?
pick me up from school today?
Dad, can you pick me up from school
you-
today? Call
how
me
do
your
you
dad
think
one more
four
time.
things?
Wait. No, you're actually probably gonna do that.
UNC.
I'll take that back.
Dad. Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Oh my god.
I'm only 6,000 blocks away.
What's wrong with y'all, bro?
Hey, Grandpa. Nah, they're calling you an unk.
How y'all go from unc to dad to grandpa?
Gramps. Oh, nah.
Y'all read
No.
Solo Leveling, get Dad.
Okay.
That's not any way to
Name
talk
it
to your
Diddy,
kid's dad.
bro.
Nah, I ain't read it yet. So is the chat just my children, bro?
Guess so.
Don't say
Bro,
that.
what?
Don't say that.
Are y'all just my children in the chat, bro?
Lol.
You're not my dad.
You're not my dad. I always want to
Don't even
hear
have a dad.
something. That's
No,
why.
or my uncle.
I'm your uncle.
You're my uncle.
The fact that you're able to look at me with a straight face and call me your uncle is insane.
Uncle Ruckus.
That's even worse.
Have you read Solo Leveling UNC?
Have I read Solo Leveling? No, I haven't. I haven't read it yet. I've been planning to, but
Why read it? Isn't it animated already?
Yeah. But not every single page is
Not all of it.
animated. It's only
yeah,
like
he
what
just said
season
that in the
one.
chat. He
Or,
said
like,
not
first
all of
three.
it is.
I thought they
Yeah.
finished Solo Leveling already. I guess not.
Bro, they're aura farming right now. What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't watch Solo Leveling.
Bro, the OG aura farmer was Kirito, bro, from fucking SAO.
Sword Art Online.
Yo,
It goes to book 7 or 8.
What goes to book 7? Solo Leveling? That's crazy.
How many books are there?
use your imagination.
Dad, do you know my birthday?
Dad, do I know?
20,000?
Dad,
Well.
do you know my birthday? Please tell me why I would know your birthday.
Because you're his dad.
Yo. You're not helping. I'm about to make a doomsday table with these item frames and maps. Yes.
The 12th one is coming on May 12th.
There's 12 books, bro.
Because we are best
Crazy.
friends, Dad.
We're best friends? You're best friends with your dad?
We talk every day at school.
Every day at school. Wait, yeah, if I'm your dad,
Law.
how do we go to the same school?
He's adopted.
You're
We're
adopted
5
a
years
full-grown
older
man.
than the oldie. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, mommy?
No.
What are
Yeah,
we
you
talking
adopted me.
about?
So you're
What?
his stepdad.
Your fan base is so weird, bro. I don't like this.
Nah, he's Daddy.
What, dude?
Hello?
Dan,
Yo, what's up,
I
Dan?
need help. This chat
The way
keeps
he
calling
said
me their
daddy
dad,
and
bro.
that, you need to be banned.
Nah, bro's on the toilet. That's nasty.
I'm in the school bathroom.
They keep calling me their
Oh, that's
dad,
even worse.
Daddy.
Bro. Don't call me daddy. What is wrong with you?
I don't like their profile picture, bro. It's making me uncomfortable.
Grandpappy. Poppy.
Imagine
Daddy,
if it
you
was
know
like a
when
big
my
story
birthday
time.
is.
Grandpappy. That's even worse. That's fire.
That's tough, because it's the house.
Papi. Poppy, remember we used to cuddle every day.
What are we talking
Don't read
about? Why did my chat turn into a dad fest?
You blocked me. Dad never gets mad at
blocked
me.
me?
And did you see the Warriors
Yeah, I
game?
banned him
block
on
you
the key
again.
account. 'Cause
Poppy.
I mean, he kept talking about, he's still in
Lol,
love with
Poppy.
Lena. And this, that, and the third. I'm like, what's wrong with you, bro?
Man, I better block him again. I don't want to hear nothing about Lena.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, it's at a point now.
Dad, is
Lena
that the other dad?
fine in the server when she's not yelling at people, bro. Like, this just makes
No,
my head
yesterday
hurt.
she said, I want to start an argument with somebody.
I'm saying,
Jew
I heard
Poppy
that.
For no
Mine.
reason.
Dad, is that the other dad? That's your only dad in the call. His name is Knight.
The other dad, this is my daddy.
Yo, don't call me his dad. I'll put him up for adoption right now.
Jew Poppy Maneno.
True Poppy Maneno. Maneno. Maneno.
Lol,
Bananas,
we're
wow.
gonna take that Poppy.
Bro, can y'all stop saying Poppy, bro? It's so annoying.
Please stop calling me Poppy, dude.
It's because I'm a full-grown man. You cannot be calling him Poppy.
Well, he's not a full-grown man.
Fine,
He can't
daddy.
drink.
Dad, who's that other dad's
The
name?
other dad's name is Knight.
Yeah, now you're pushing it.
No,
Jew
no,
Poppy
no,
Maneno.
it's not.
Yes, he is.
No, it's not.
Like,
Yes,
Night
it is.
Sky.
I'm changing my name to Dave. I'm going under a new alias. No, fuck no. Paying no damn child support.
Night Poppy.
Alright, where's my honey at? How do I wax the...
So I say ban
What
him
was
for
the
that.
advancement? Apply honeycomb. How do I get honeycomb?
From
I got a
bees.
slice of honey block. Ooh, I can make honey cookies.
I can be your honey.
I didn't ask you to be my honey.
Yo, what is this? Freaks in chat, bro? Freaks.
Night Poppy and Key Dad.
What are we
No,
talking
no,
about, dude?
No. 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 This is illegal.
Oh, that's how you get honey. I just peeped. That's how you get honey without... What's it called? Making the bees angry. Wait, but how do I get honeycomb? How do you get honeycomb, chat?
You have to make a bee farm.
Shears? Actually?
Add aggressiveness.
Cheers. Hashtag aggressiveness. Yes, Poppy. Cheer the hive.
You need to add more. What is it called? You need to add more tags so more people can
Can I
find
play
your
with?
stream.
Can you play? Do you play on a PC that's capable of running mod packs?
You gotta join the Discord.
Yes.
Yeah. And then you need Curse Forge, and then you gotta join the Discord. Do campfires burn trees
If your-
down?
If your PC explodes, it is not anybody's fault but yours. To understand that.
Use shears.
I gotta go make shears. Hold on.
You should do late night Spider-Man, Dad.
Late night
You wanna
Spider-Man.
play
First of all,
Spider-Man
you
tonight?
spelled
I
night
can,
wrong.
low key, because I gotta beat the game so I can play other ones.
I love you.
Knight, please join.
You love
I'm
me.
so freaking close to spawn.
I'm not joining right now, bro.
Please,
I
I'm
don't
like
wanna-
500. I'm about 500 bucks away from spawn.
$500 away from spawn.
Mind you, he's been running
Blocks,
since
not
I
books.
started streaming.
What happened?
I know I spelled night wrong. It was a typo, mister.
500 bucks away. I've been running since he started streaming. Just please hurry up and join and tell me your chords.
You can't tell me how to spell night. My name is literally Night.
How do I use the shears on that?
Pipe down me, lil bro.
Pipe down your little bro. Get out of here, bro. Smell like beans.
Oh,
insane.
that's how I do
Night
it.
Poppy.
Okay, I think I
Yo.
understand it now.
I'm getting harassed in chat right now. It looks like a war scene, bro. That old house is disgusting.
Oh, I got it.
Night your lil bro.
Night, little bro. Your little bro. No better than you. Yo, shit just burned.
No, it doesn't burn the trees. Surprisingly.
No, I meant your honeycomb.
Oh no, I have it. Your dad is the best?
Cab, my dad is the
Sure.
best, is that right?
Sure, bro.
See, Poppy?
No.
Yo. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
I
And
just
now
got
you're
a
the
wax
best
off
karate
one.
kid.
Okay, so I don't need copper no more. I'm gonna put that in the ore box. Do.
Night Poppy. I miss you so much.
Nah, I think they miss you, bro.
Man. You know what? I'm setting you up for adoption. Pro Jade is your new father.
I'm underage. I can't be a father.
Yes, you can. Well,
I'm 1'3".
You're their
I
father
cannot
now.
be a father. I'm not old enough
That's
to be a
the
father.
you're
Legally, I
their
can't
father
be a
now.
father. Legally, I can't be a
You're their-
father. So no.
You're their father
Actually,
now.
legally, you can.
Jaden?
Legally, no. I decide not to.
You're their father now. That's all you, bro.
Key, I hope you know that I
No.
have practice and I'm going to leave the stream
Bro.
on.
Yes.
Proha.
No.
To so support
Taka,
dad.
you hear that?
Yeah.
Your new father is Pro
I
Jade.
appreciate it, bro. If you gotta leave the
Your
stream,
new father
you
doesn't
can.
want you.
Your father does want you. He's like, Pro Jade really loves you guys.
Pro J Poppy.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
They're calling you, Pro Jade.
How-
No need to stay for my dad also watching.
See, look what y'all done started.
Look what you started, buddy.
I'm about to go summon the Wither. Chat, let's go do the
Pro
Wither.
J Poppy and Night Mommy.
Wait, I'm about like 1,000
Pro
blocks
J
away
Lil
from
Bro.
spawn. I
Bro,
might,
just check your
have.
spawn is gone. Please stop being so weird.
Mind you, he just
Put
died.
my base.
Which means he's all the way back there. I get
Pro
it.
J Poppy and Night Mommy.
It's just one TP. I'll
Don't
give
call
you.
me mommy. Don't call me that.
I'll give you some netherite. Just please teleport me.
Chat, do I teleport him? I told him no because it was his fault.
I'm going
why
to
he
post
went so
you
far.
to story dad.
It's still his fault why he went so far. Just build a base at your village, bro.
Don't say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello,
What's up, Batman?
I'm gonna play that song. What's it called?
I don't know. Say goodbye by somebody. I don't know who it's made by. What's the word, man?
The Kelly Price
I'll
song?
give you 10 netherite if you just teleport me right now.
What's the what are you playing?
We're playing Minecraft and this man Key won't teleport me, and I'll give him 10 netherite just to teleport me.
We don't go all
Night,
the way
Mommy.
out into the
I
middle
need you
of
to pick me up.
nowhere.
Let me know
Bro.
how many followers you
Night,
get after I post that.
Just mind your business, bro.
Why I can't find the song?
I'm picking you up, bro.
Night, Mommy, please.
Don't say goodbye.
Yo. What?
Can't even join the man, Grinch, bro. I can't even join. That's bull. Oh, guess I just played 2K.
What
Just
you mean,
posted
Batman? You
Donna.
want to play Minecraft?
I appreciate it.
I got it. I bought all the.
Night,
I bought
are you a
Ninja
baddie?
World. I got this mech world. All type of stuff. I bought OG skin. I just bought stuff. I don't know if that stuff.
Horses in the stable. I like the way you act.
Let's start a world.
Ride. Horses in the stable.
Did he just ask if I'm a baddie, bro? Yo, I'm getting harassed right now.
Oh, daddy, I get what I want. You know what I mean?
Horses
I
in
get what
the
I want,
stable.
like-
Night, Mommy.
Let's start a world. There's already a world, bro. No need to start a new one.
Hubert
Don't
want to
say
start a
goodbye.
world? Oh yeah, cause you don't play on PC, huh? We can. That's the
I can
boy
make-
Hugh.
I can make a
Loki,
realm.
What do you mean?
Let
Can
me
he
know
not-
if you
Is there no crossplay or what?
Let me know if you ever get
Yeah,
on
me too, Dad.
what's it called? Overwatch. Like one of the re-downloads. Cause I've been meaning to
I thought there was
I've been
crossplay.
meaning to stream Overwatch.
You could do half and half. Minecraft for
Night,
1
Mommy,
hour,
and Pro J
Overwatch
Poppy.
for another.
How was your marriage?
I bet.
God, you
'Cause
boss.
I need to.
Hey,
play
how do you put
Overwatch.
skins on your character? How do you put different skins on your character?
In what, Minecraft?
You should do a normal one and invite
Yeah.
me, Dad.
What are you
No,
playing?
I'm
on?
not married to this child. I'm not a pedophile.
How do I edit? So do I go to edit character? Like, what do I do?
I think so. What are you playing on?
What? I'm on Xbox.
Oh, yeah, that's what you do.
And then what?
I don't know. I'm playing on a PC.
Oh, oh, here you go.
They need to
Own
add
skins. Yeah, I
cross-board
got
consoles.
Ninja Mask up. Yeah, I got all the Shogun. I got Shogun skins. Oh yeah, that's fire. I could be a
A
Shogun.
normal world. Night, Mommy. What was it like when you gave
Man.
birth to me?
I could swear I own more skins than this though, bro. I know Grinch remember me buying all them anime skins and stuff. And Batman when I first joined.
Withers
started
can
playing-
break out of an obsidian cage.
How do I check what I
Where's
play
that?
in for Minecraft?
Your stream chat is like freaky, bro. I can't stand this. I'm getting harassed.
Mom,
Hey, bro, I swear.
nothing but big men.
Nothing but big men. What are we talking about? You know what, chat? I think I'm gonna go on Overwatch. I feel like
Overwatch.
I feel like it's an Overwatch type of day.
Night is Mommy.
Overwatch.
I might be able to play with you if you don't mind.
Bet.
Overwatch. What are we talking about, bro? Overwatch.
Overwatch is tough. What?
Let me eat twin.
Let me eat? Like, you gonna eat and then you gonna join, or what?
You can trap the weather in the nether, Dad.
Oh, we can fight him in the nether? How?
Night is a baddie.
Grinch is about to die again.
Yo, leave me alone. I'm fine. I'm safe in the cave.
I want me some Grinch.
You want
Here
you
we
some
go.
Grinch. What are we talking about,
My voice is gone.
Bro, see, everybody getting harassed in chat.
He over here talking about, I want me some Grinch.
I own Ninja Mashups and I own Iron Bro. And then I own Demon Slayer Blaze. Yeah, I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. I don't own no skins though.
Oh! Chat! I'm burning. I'm itching
You're not
and
the
burning.
sharpest
I'm
tool
itching
in
and
this man.
burning.
Please don't say
Wait, do you add waystones?
Nope.
Oh, you're done for, bro.
I should have.
You use it. That would make everything a lot easier.
A lion would be crazy.
I know. Somebody need to give me a lion, bro. How much even is a lion? That's one I
5K
haven't
coins,
gotten
I'm
yet.
pretty sure. It's 5K.
A lion mod.
Oh, you mean a lion mod? Oh yeah, no, you're freaky.
There already was one in the old world, but I kept getting void banned.
Yeah, it was like broken. Ow!
Zombies again. That stuff was fun last night. I'm not gonna lie. The zombies was
Yo,
kinda
we
cool.
live
It was
under a
chill.
warden
And the
base!
lion cost $100, Dad.
I might have to put
There you go.
waystones on.
Goodbye.
This spawn is crazy.
Wait, what'd you say? What'd you say, Keith?
I live under a warden thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Nah, this is crazy.
I think you might actually have to put waystones in the game.
I'll
Warriors
read
are
that one
cooking
right
anyways. Got to go, Dad. Love you.
Goodbye.
See you again. All right, leave the world. We're gonna get off of Minecraft for now.
Play that zombies.
I'm gonna add in
Run that
waystones.
zombies back.
You trying to run zombies?
Run that zombies back. That countdown stuff was kind of cool. I'm
Not going
gonna
to say it back.
All right. But all right, bro. I love you too, man.
lie. Oh, he's streaming.
Yeah.
The
Nah,
filter.
because now he's gonna say it more.